Konnichiwa, it's Nami from Just One Cookbook, back with another video for you, and today I am making 3 kinds of bento. This year, I will be sharing a lot of Japanese-style meal prep recipes with you so you can enjoy Japanese food at home. So for this video, I will show you how I do meal prep for bento. To make this tutorial more interesting, I'm collaborating with my good YouTuber friends, and we challenge ourselves to make bentos under $3. Here's Mark from No Recipes, who shares delicious recipes from Japan and around the world. Shinichi and Satoshi from Tabi Eats, who frequently broadcast about Japanese food culture, travel, and recipes. And Shihoko from Chopstick Chronicles, who shares authentic Japanese recipes from Australia. Make sure to check out their delicious $3 bentos, and I put the links in the description box below. Now let's get started. Typically on Sundays, I prepare all the ingredients for 3 days of bento, which I will pack on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. For Tuesday and Thursdays, I usually make sandwiches. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it thumbs up and leave a comment below. And if you love Japanese food, follow along on Instagram and Facebook at Just One Cookbook. Since you guys have been watching this video till the end, here's the Japanese word of the day. Japanese language has many honorifics, parts of speech that show respect and politeness. You may notice many Japanese words have the use of prefix o. Bento and obento, ka-san and oka-san, ji-chan and oji-chan, kashi and okashi, toire and otoire, uchi and ouchi, bento and obento. Have fun using it! Make sure to check out my friend's YouTube channel, and I put their information in the description box below, and tell them that I sent you. Subscribe if you haven't already, and make sure to click the bell icon. Sending big thanks and love to the notification squad. See you next time with a brand new video here on my YouTube channel. またね!